The health benefits of cucumber are quite diverse. This type of vegetable is known to be low in calories, rich in water, and contains a number of essential nutrients. In addition to its health benefits, cucumber is also easy to obtain. You can easily find it in traditional markets, supermarkets, or grow it yourself at home. Cucumber contains a lot of water and fiber, which helps to keep the body hydrated and have healthy digestion. It also contains various vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, and manganese. It also contains other nutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, and antioxidant compounds. Here are some of the health benefits of cucumber. 1. Maintain digestive health. Apart from being rich in water, cucumber also contains fiber that can help improve digestive health. Fiber can help prevent constipation and also facilitate bowel movements. Constipation can also be caused by a lack of fluid in the body or dehydration. The lack of fluid in the body can lead to difficulty in defecating. By eating cucumber, which contains a lot of water and fiber, you can get the benefits of cucumber for overall digestive tract health, including improving stool consistency and encouraging regular bowel movements. 2. Hydrates the body. Water plays a very important role in maintaining a healthy human body. The presence of water in the body facilitates various vital processes such as regulation of body temperature, transportation of nutrients throughout the body, and removal of metabolic waste. Consumption of foods that contain high levels of water, such as cucumber, can be an important contributor in meeting daily fluid requirements. This is because cucumber helps in replenishing body fluids that have been lost through sweat, especially during hot weather or after exercise. Including cucumber in your daily diet can be a good strategy to maintain optimal hydration, as well as support a balanced nutritional intake. 3. Source of antioxidants. Another health benefit of cucumber is that it also contains antioxidants such as flavonoids and tannins, which help fight harmful free radicals in the body. These antioxidants play an important role in protecting the body cells from damage caused by oxidation stress and lowering the chances of developing chronic diseases. Oxidative stress triggered by free radicals can be linked to a variety of serious diseases, including cancer, autoimmune diseases, lung disorders, and heart disease. In addition, antioxidants also play a role in preventing premature aging. 4. Lowers blood sugar levels. The next benefit of cucumber is that it is believed to be able to lower blood sugar levels. Cucumber has nutrients that can help stabilize blood sugar pressure when combined with other healthy habits. One of the factors that cause high blood pressure is too much salt intake and too little potassium. Excess salt causes the body to retain fluid, thus increasing blood pressure. Cucumber is an effective source of potassium that helps lower blood pressure. It works by offsetting the effects of sodium in the body. 5. Helps in weight loss. Cucumbers have the potential to help you lose weight in several different ways. That's because cucumbers are low in calories. In every 300 grams of cucumber contains 45 calories. This means eating a lot of cucumbers keeps calories in check without reducing the energy the body needs while still feeling full. In addition, the high water content in cucumber can also help you lose weight. That's why eating foods with high water content and low calories is associated with significant weight loss. That's some of the benefits of cucumber for health, one of which is to reduce blood sugar levels. But if sugar levels are very high, immediately see a doctor for further treatment. This video is for educational purposes only. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss other videos.